Usually passenger seats, they typically stay pretty clean. This one, it's not too bad. It's got just a little bit of dirt and grime and stuff built up on it. But the reason we're worried about this seat specifically today is because there was actually soda spilled in the car. It was spilled here in the driver's seat, right in here. Now you can't really see it because it's black cloth, so it hides it pretty well. Most people, they wouldn't even think about it. They wouldn't even consider getting it cleaned up because you can't even really see it. Seat still looks fine. Vacuum it up, it look just as good. But since we know it's there, we are going to try and clean it up. We're going to try and pull all that soda out so that way it doesn't possibly cause any smelling issues later on. It probably won't, but because we know it's there, we might as well clean it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start vacuuming up the seat. We're going to get all the dirt and stuff out of the seat that's embedded in here so that way we can prep for getting it shampooed and all cleaned up, get all that soda stains out. Tools we're going to be using, got a couple nylon brushes here. These are pretty cheap and inexpensive. These ones you can get, I think, at AutoZone or Walmart. They're only a few bucks each. They're great brushes. They work really well. We're just going to be using these so that way to help aid in the vacuuming process to get all the stuff out of the fibers, like hair that might get stuck in there or the dirt that gets stuck in between the crevices. And then we're just using crack and crevice tool, and then we got a little wider mouth vacuuming tool. Let's go ahead and get started. So while I'm getting the shampooer all set up, I am using a heated shampooer, so it's going to take a little bit to get the water all heated up. In the meantime, while that's getting all heated up and ready to go, I'm going to use my carpet cleaning product. I'm going to go ahead and spray it on the seat so that way it can already start working at that stain and helping bring it out much easier. And then once we're done, I'm ready to start scrubbing at the stain. We'll scrub it up and then we'll extract it with the carpet shampooer with hot water. So I'm not going to completely soak the area. I'm just going to try and get it wet so that way it can start seeping in, because you don't want to completely soak the seat, but you want enough product down to help target the stain. So just going to do a few sprays and that should be good. I'll get a little up here on the seat bolster just in case there was any splatter that may have gotten up, but this is the general area of where it was at. cleaned up now. Got it all shampooed. It's all nice and dry now. Even though you couldn't really tell there was a stain there before, it's nice knowing that even though we knew something was spilt there, even though you couldn't see it, it's all gone now. It's cleaned up. And we don't have to worry about possibly there ever being any kind of stench arising from the car later on. And everything is good to go. That's going to be it for that video. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave me a like, comment, and as always, please do subscribe and have a great day.